Hello! Hi everyone and welcome to our weekly Makaton assembly. A special hello to anyone who is at home this week. And those are all of you in Year 1. Hello Year 1. Year 2. Hello Year 2. Year 3 and Year 4. Hello Year 3. Hello Year 4. We are really missing you in school. And we're really looking forward to welcoming you back next week. Now, I know you're all really good at signing, and if you are at home, perhaps you could ask one of the grown-ups with you to have a go too, and they could learn something new today. Okay, are you ready for our sign of the week? Let's go.
Let's talk Makaton. Sign of the week. This week's sign is excited. 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 Let's go. Excited. Excited. Join in at wetalkmakaton.org.
Well done. Let's practice that again. And remember, when we use Makaton, we say the words too. So we're going to say we're excited. Can you say that with me? Excited. Well done. Okay, now we're going to practice some signs that we already know, but we might have forgotten. And we're going to practice them because they're very, very useful. And you can use them at home or in school. Mr. Tumble, for something special, is going to help us. Are you ready?
It's time to sign. Hello. Look. Hello. You sign. Hello. Look. Hello. Home. Look. Home. You sign. Home. Look. Home. Mummy. Look. Mummy. You sign. Mummy. Look. Mummy. Daddy. Look. Daddy. You sign. Daddy. Look. Daddy. Food. Look. Food. You sign. Food. Look. Food. Drink. Look. Drink. You sign. Drink. Look. Drink. More. Look. More. You sign. More. Look. More. Please. Look. Please. You sign. Please. Look. Please. Thank you. Look. Thank you. You sign. Thank you. Look. Thank you. Play. Look. Play. You sign. Play. Look. Play. Book. Look. Book. You sign. Book. Look. Book. Toilet. Look. Toilet. You sign. Toilet. Look. Toilet. Bed. Look. Bed. You sign. Bed.
Look.
Look.
Bed.
Bed.
Goodbye.
Look.
Look.
Goodbye.
You
You
sign.
sign.
Goodbye.
Look.
Look.
Goodbye.
Fantastic, you were great. What good listening, good looking, and good sitting. Amazing. Now, you can try and use some of those signs around school or in your house today. You could use thank you or please. And if you get to play either outside or in your house, you could use that too. Well done. You're fantastic. Okay, we're going to end, as we always end, with a song. And this is one of our favourites. I know you know this one. Are you ready? Sit again tall and time to sing.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. The sun changes the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get yesterday. I'll fly by in yellow and green, stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. South of the equator, navigation, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. 2,000 rounds like a few bucks, larger toes. I could get yesterday. I'll fly by in yellow and green, stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. We got two in the front, two in the back, singing along, we don't look back. Sometimes find me yellow leaves, stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone, someone.
Fantastic. It's still a bit fast for me, but I know you kept up. That's brilliant. Keep practicing that one and you'll get better and better. Fantastic. Thank you for joining in today, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye-bye.